So now that we've reviewed what Boxcutter Smart Apply is about, let's go ahead and attempt to just cut some cuts on the left side of this box, pressing T to solidify, maybe adjust the viewport to be a little bit more visible. And we're just cutting in some just random cuts on the left side of our box. From here, I am just going to perform a slice operation on the opposite side. So this object, as we can see, is the main object. And this object, as we can see, is just a slice of the secondary object. So if we were to basically go through modifier scroll, we see that all of this information is part of the scroll. So there's basically 8 operations in here that are irrelevant to the slice because it has nothing to do with the formation of the slice at this point. Hopefully you're understanding what I'm saying. So basically in Smart Apply, there's a shift option where basically by clicking it, it will retain only the information of booleans that are relevant to the slice operation at hand, meaning that whenever we do a modifier slice, meaning whenever we do a modifier scroll, that we're only able to see the information pertinent to it. So now we've went down from 9 modifiers to, it looks like, only about 7. So if we press Control Z and undo, we can see what it was looking like before. It looks like we had about 8 modifiers. So just by shift clicking the Smart Apply, you can basically limit your slices to have only the Boolean information that's pertinent to the slice at hand, resulting in something that's just a little bit more fast and performant whenever it comes to working in the viewport. Another thing is that you can actually use this with a multiple selection. So if we were to slice this area off and we were to slice this area off, we could actually select both of these pieces, shift click the Boxcutter Smart Apply, and if we were to take this in local mode, we see that only the pieces that are relevant to this thing's particular form are actually kept. In fact, it could be a little bit more strict with what it removes, but it is definitely improvement in the right path. In fact, let's check this one. It looks like we could actually hit it one more time. So now whenever we scroll through it, we see that we only have the booleans that are pertinent to this piece actually being formulated in the way that it is at the time of it being sliced. So hopefully users will take advantage of this in the future.